Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick additional settings, and from this list go to the privacy. It's here. And now let's go down a bit and click on special app access. Here you will notice install unknown apps, simply click on it, and here you are able to allow installation from those applications. So let me pick, for example, Amazon. We can allow from the source, then browser, and for example Chrome, and basically you can just select the application that you would like to give this access and click on it and allow from the source. So that's basically all. This is how you can allow unknown sources in Xiaomi Mi Max 9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.